How to edit audio in Capcut PC. First thing you want to do is to pull up or access your Capcut account or the application itself. And then once you open it up, you'll have to go to create a new project. Now, if you click on create a new project, you will be routed to this page. Now, you can choose to import your audio file, or you can also choose to use the built-in music or sound effects through the CapCut application. So let's go ahead and try an example, maybe this one. Now, if you wanted to have settings on on that specific audio, all you have to do is to click on the audio file, and then on your left, on the right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see basic, voice changer, and then speed. Now, if you hover your mouse to basic, all you can edit for this specific field is the volume, the fade in and fade out, and you can also use normalize loudness and enhance voice through a CapCut Pro. You can also go down and reduce the noise using CapCut Pro. Now, if you head to voice changer, there is also downloaded files from CapCut Pro itself. And then if you wanted to choose on that specific filter, all you have to do is to click on that, and then it will automatically filter out or change your voice. Now, if you go ahead to voice characters, it works on the same thing, but most of these effects are like person or a specific thing. So that's it. It's basically how you edit the audio in CapCut PC.